Hey, what is up? I just wanted to run through a few things in this video. First of all, my Christmas went okay. I got Mozzie Bites, not currently sunburnt, so it wasn't the best, but I had quite a bit of fun, hoping everyone else had a good Christmas. I just want to dive into the reason I came back to YouTube after not being here for a year. I just saw lots of YouTubers giving back to their family and stuff. Like Nadeshot just did a video giving his dad about 10 grand for Christmas, which is insane. And I've always wanted to give back to people, and I have a long list of people that I've wanted to give back to, and in the area I live in, finding a job isn't so easy because it's very isolated, and all the new stores that go up, they just employ members from other stores. So finding a job isn't exactly the easiest, which is why I do this in the meantime. And I know Nadeshot's a very big YouTuber, like massively big, which is why he's able to do it, and he's done YouTube for years, and he's done competitive COD and stuff like that. But for a few years I've always thought of putting together a competitive team, and I know I've had a few friends say yeah to being in the team, but then they've kind of fell off and they've said no, I don't want to do this, or they back out halfway, they just don't feel like putting in what they said they would. But I have a list actually that I keep with me. There's people that have gave me things and what they've given me and what I can give back to them in due time, because money isn't exactly an option for me. I spent my Christmas money on a new headset, like $40 or something, so I could continue making videos and doing this, because my current headset, the audio in it isn't the best. Sorry for the dry throat. But I've just always wanted to give back to people. That's what makes me happy, mainly seeing someone else be happy. And that's kind of what I want to do with all of this. In the next few videos you'll see I don't have the skins I normally have. My Op Asimov is gone, my AK Blue Lamina, and my M4A1S, can't pronounce the name of it, but all those skins are gone. I traded them into a site where you can use money to withdraw items, but it won't let me, so I've messaged the site and said, hey look, either let me withdraw something or give me my skins back. I'm not too fussed because I have a new op skin, I have a new AK skin, I have a new M4A1S skin, along with a few new skins and stickers, so I'm not fussed at all. My Christmas went pretty good. I got $80, 2 new shirts, and shower gel and deodorant, which is, well, I'd say it's pretty good. The shirts are pretty nice. I'm currently just coming off a sunburn, which is still lingering. And this gameplay was fairly good, I'd say. I think when 3417 was mainly with the AWP, and I've learned how to play on left hand a bit better now. I haven't really played CSGO much since Christmas because, well, my sunburn hurts a lot and I've been struggling to sleep because of it. So I'm hoping this YouTube thing, I don't want my channel to explode at all. If it explodes and there's too many viewers, because my content is subpar at the most. It's not the best, but it's also, it could be a whole lot worse in my opinion. And I only get 10, 20 views on my videos, nothing spectacular. My commentaries aren't the best, my setup isn't the best, the gameplay is ripped straight out of the watch feature from CSGO because I can't edit very well. And I tried getting my friend to edit my little mini-taj, and we used MediaFire, but for some reason the files wouldn't go across. But when they did, it's because he had Sony Vegas 12, I think, and I have Sony Vegas 13. Yeah, 13. So it said files weren't compatible, which was kind of surprising to me. I'm currently making this video on the 27th because on the 26th I was hungover and my sunburn just hurt like a bitch. And that's about it. That's what I did for Christmas. But I'm just hoping this competitive team, I know it won't start off with a bang, you have to work up and do it. And also the YouTube thing becomes a bit easier for me to do. I currently have a family friend over for a week, so recording commentaries won't be easy, but I can still record gameplays because that doesn't require much noise. They're currently out at the moment, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If anyone's interested in the team idea, my region is Australia, so if anyone just wants to chuck me a message on Steam or on YouTube, I know YouTube has a messaging system, given that it's goddamn awful, but that's the way YouTube works nowadays. That's about it. Or you could just comment back in the comment section. I can just comment back and give you my Steam link and stuff like that. That's pretty much it for this commentary. I'm just incredibly tired and wanted to get this video out here. This was recorded on about the 23rd, I think. It's taken me 4 days to get it out, but I hope you all enjoyed, and have a good New Year's and Boxing Day. Alright, see you all later.